Paint Splash Effect Photopea. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, accessing the Photopea website in Google Chrome, and make sure your device is connected to the internet before starting. Double-click the Google Chrome shortcut on your desktop and wait for the browser to open completely. When the browser is ready, hover your cursor over the search bar, click it, and type Photopea. Press the Enter key on your keyboard to start the search. Once the search results appear, select the top option, 𝗟𝗹𝗞𝗘.com, and wait to be directed to the Photopea homepage. Before starting the editing process, prepare the photo you want to edit and make sure you know where it is saved on your computer. Next, click the Open from Computer option, browse to the folder containing the image, and double-click the file to open it in Photopea. After the photo loads, duplicate the photo layer so the effect will not affect the main photo. Then add a black fill layer, or any color fill you want to use as the background, and position this layer below the duplicated photo layer. Before continuing with the effect, you need to import a splatter brush. Open your browser and go to 𝗟𝗹𝗞𝗘.com. Click the search bar, type splatter, and search for a suitable brush set. Select the splatter brush you want to use, download it, and then import the brush into Photopea. Next, select the top layer in the Layers panel. Add a vector mask to that layer and press Ctrl+I on your keyboard to invert the mask. Look at the toolbar menu on the left side of the screen and find the brush tool. Change the brush color to white. Open the brush menu, scroll down through the available brushes, and choose the imported splatter brush. Start drawing slowly on the mask with the brush to reveal parts of the image. Combine the effect with different splatter brush styles for a more creative result. Also change the brush rotation regularly to create additional variation and a more natural appearance. Once you finish applying the splatter patterns, you will have created a paint splash effect in Photopea.